हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हम सबके पास CUET की अलग अलग गाइड होती है, रेफरेंस होते हैं। तो मेरे पास जो रेफरेंस है मैं उससे आपको आपको पढ़ के बताती हूँ। ज्योग्राफी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन। इसका आंसर इसका आंसर है सी। द डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया 2011 is 383 persons per square kilometer. Second question, dash is the time taken by any population to double itself at its current annual growth rate. तो इसका आंसर है population doubling time. Third, what is the meaning of सर ज़मीन ए हिंद पर अक़वाम एक आलम के फिराक काफिले बसते गए हिंदुस्तान बनता गया। तो इसका आंसर है A. The caravans of people from all parts of the world kept on coming and settling in India and led to the formation of India. Question number 4. Which among the following is a false statement about the consequences of migration? इसका आंसर है A. Migration is a response to the even distribution of opportunities over space. Question number 5. According to the Human Development Report 1993, dash and increasing empowerment of people are seen as the minimum conditions for human development. तो इसका आंसर है B. Progressive democratization. Sixth, Sixth, development is freedom. Freedom from hunger, poverty, servitude, bondage, ignorance, illiteracy, and any other forms of domination is the key to human development. Which type of empowerment is discussed in the following statement? तो इसका आंसर है B. Social empowerment. Question number 7. Dash and dash developed during the colonial period which continue to play an important role in the Indian economy, polity and society. तो इसका आंसर है C. Regional distortions and social disparities. Question number 8. Who was quite apprehensive about the ongoing development, particularly the way industrialization has institutionalized the loss of morality, spirituality, self reliance, non violence, and mutual cooperation and environment? तो इसका आंसर है डी. महात्मा गांधी. Question number 9. Dash are less mobile and therefore social relationship among them are intimate. इसका आंसर है A. Rural people. Question number 10. On the basis of the evolution of towns in India, Indian towns may be classified as dash, dash and dash. तो इसका आंसर है Asian towns, medieval towns and modern towns. Question number 11. Any land which is left fallow, uncultivated, for more than 5 years is included in this category. It can be brought under cultivation under improving it through reclamation practices. Which of the following land use groups does the preceding statement belong to? इसका आंसर है डी. Cultivable wasteland. Question number 12. This is also a cultivable land which is left uncultivated for more than a year but less than 5 years. If the land is left uncultivated for more than 5 years, it would be categorized as cultivable wasteland. Which of the following land use groups does the preceding statement belong to? इसका आंसर है A. Fallow other than the current fallow. Question number 13. It is a very important ingredient of vegetarian food as these are rich sources of proteins. These are legume crops which increase the natural fertility of soils through nitrogen fixation. Identify the crop. इसका आंसर है pulses. 14. Dash is a platform for farmers to seek any information related to agriculture. इसका आंसर है farmers portal. The Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB), in collaboration with Dash, has been monitoring water quality of national aquatic resources at dash station. इसका आंसर है State Pollution Control Board's 507 stations. Question number 16. Haryali is a watershed development project sponsored by the central government which aims at. इसका आंसर है all of these. Question number 17. What is the meaning of Niru Miru? इसका आंसर है water and you. Question number 18. Have taken up constructions of various water harvesting structures such as percolation tanks, dug out ponds, check dams. इसका आंसर है अरवरी पानी संसद. Which of the Question number 19. Which of the following is false statement about India's national water policy 2002? इसका आंसर है both surface and groundwater should not be regularly monitored for quality. Question number 20. Which among the following is correct statement about characteristics of minerals? इसका आंसर है all of these. D. 21. Minerals are generally concentrated in dash broad belts in India. इसका आंसर है A3. Question number 22. The mineral resources provide the country with the necessary base for dash development. इसका आंसर है industrial development. Question number 23. The southwestern plateau region extends over Karnataka, dash and Kerala. इसका आंसर है A. Goa contiguous Tamil Nadu uplands. Question number 24. In Odisha, iron ore occurs in a series of hill ranges in dash. इसका आंसर है all of these. Question number 25. Dash is an important raw material for smelting of iron ore and also used for manufacturing ferroalloys. इसका आंसर है B. Manganese. Question number 26. In dash, iron ore deposits occur in Sandur, Hospet area of Ballari district. इसका आंसर है कर्नाटका. 27. The dash energy sources will provide more sustained, eco-friendly, cheaper energy after the initial cost is taken care of. इसका आंसर है B. Non-conventional. 28. Dash refers to energy derived from biological products which includes agricultural residues, residues, municipal, industrial and other waste. इसका आंसर है C. Bioenergy. Question number 29. Name the major industries of Gurugram, Delhi, Meerut region. कहाँ all of these. 30. Agra Mathura industrial area specializes in dash and dash. इसका आंसर है A. Glass and leather goods. 31. The Irrigation Commission 1972 introduced the criterion of dash irrigated area and demarcated the drought prone areas. इसका है B. 30%. 32. Who reviewed the performance of drought prone area program? The answer is C. The National Committee on Development of Backward Area. Question number 33. According to the 2011 census, the total population of Bharmor subdivision was dash, that is 21 persons per square kilometer. इसका है D. 39,113. 34. In what year did the development of Bharmor's tribal area begin? The answer है C. 1970. 35. What is the most significant contribution of the tribal sub-plan in the Bharmor region? इसका आंसर है C. Development of infrastructure. 36. Who wrote the population bomb? इसका है B. Enrich. 37. Full form of WCED. इसका आंसर है A. World Commission on Environment and Development. 38. Sustainable development takes care of dash and dash aspects of development during the present times and pleads for conservation of resources to enable the future generations to use these resources. Answer has C. Ecological, social, economic. 39. In Indira Gandhi Canal Nehar command area, about dash was envisaged to be irrigated by flow system and the rest by lift system. इसका आंसर है D 70%. 40. Which among the following is false statement about inland waterways? इसका है D. The Inland Waterways Authority was set up in 1987. India has a vast coastline of approximate dash kilometer including island 7517. 42. In which year air transport was nationalized and two corporations, Air India International and Indian Airlines, were formed? इसका है D 1953. In what year was INSAT established? इसका आंसर है A 1983. ये पैसेज आप खुद पढ़ लेना. क्वेश्चन है 45. Which of the problems does the above text belong to? इसका है इसका आंसर नहीं दे रखा, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे हम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम? इसका आंसर है सी. डिपेंडेंस ऑन इरेटिक मॉनसून. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. In low rainfall locations, what form of natural disaster is most common? इसका आंसर है बी. ड्रॉट. ये नेक्स्ट फिर से पैसेज आ गया, खुद पढ़ लेना पैसेज. 48. What type of pollution is faced by the people of Dorala? इसका आंसर है सी. वाटर पोल्यूशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. Which process led to contamination of groundwater? इसका आंसर है सी. लीचिंग. Question number 50. Which water conservation strategy will help in diluting the contamination of the groundwater? इसका आंसर है A. रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. थैंक यू. अब हम नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस पेपर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. Question number 1. Which school of thought employed Martian theory to explain the basic cause of poverty, deprivation and social inequality? इसका है B. Radical school of thought. Question number 2. Change of population in particular area between 2 points of time is known as A. Growth of population. Question number 3. Dash happens when the birth rate is more than the death rate between 2 points of time or when people from other countries migrate permanently to a region. इसका आंसर है B. Positive growth of population. Question number 4. Which among the following is a true statement about age sex pyramid? इसका आंसर है D. All of these. Question number 5. Which among the following is an important indicator of population composition, since a large size of population in the age group of 15-59 indicates a large working population? इसका आंसर है B. Age structure. Question number 6. Which among the following is false statement about growth and development? इसका आंसर है A. Both growth and development do not refer to change over a period of time. 7. What is the basic goal of development? इसका आंसर है both A and B. 8. What are the two important indices to measure human development used by the UNDP? Answer है A. Human Development Index and Human Poverty Index. 9 dash is the only country in the world to officially proclaim the gross national happiness as as measure of the country's progress. का है C Bhutan. Which among the following is true statement about gathering? इसका है all of these. 11 what is the other name of shifting cultivation in Central America and Mexico? इसका है B milpa. 12 it is highly labor intensive as it involves rigorous care in feeding and mulching. There is no off season during the year as in the case of crop raising. It is practiced mainly near urban and industrial centers, which provide neighborhood market for fresh milk and dairy products. Name the type of farming. B. Dairy farming. 13 dash and dash play an important role in maintaining soil fertility. इसका है A. Crop rotation and intercropping. 14th, the discovery of minerals in the history of human development is reflected in many stages in terms of dash, dash, and dash. का है copper age, bronze age, and iron age. 15th, large scale manufacturing is kind of manufacturing development in the last dash years, 200 years. 16, which among the following is a false statement about traditional industrial regions? का है D, there are no problems of unemployment. 17, the dash sector along with the tertiary sector has replaced most of the primary and secondary employment as the basis for economic growth. का है quaternary. 18th, what are the most important aspects of tourist attractions? का है all of these. 19th, in North America, highway density is high, about dash per square kilometer. का है 0.65 kilometer. 20 National Highway number 7 connecting dash with dash is the longest in the country. C. Varanasi with Kanyakumari. 21 in dash railways account for about 90% of the country's total transport with a very dense network west of the Urals. का है A. Russia. 22 dash are used as draught animal even in the western countries. का है A. Horses. 23 the rail line runs west east across the southern part of the continent from Perth on the west coast to Sydney on the east coast. Identify the railway. का है B. The Australian Transcontinental Railway. 24 which among the following is incorrect about the Mediterranean Indian Ocean Sea route? का है none of these. 25 which river has become an important inland waterway? का है A. Seine River. 26. The sea route connects Western Europe and North America with Australia, New Zealand, and the scattered Pacific Island via the Panama Canal. Identify the sea route. का है B. The South Pacific Sea Route. 27. The Panama Canal connects the dash in the east to the dash in the west. का है C. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. 28 full form of OFC. A. Optic fiber cables. 29 the Silk Route is an early example of long distance trade connecting Rome to China along the dash route. B. 6,000 kilometers. 30 15th century onwards the European colonialism began, and along with trade of exotic commodities a new form of trade emerged which was called as dash. C. Slave trade. Which among the 31 which among the following is the basis of international trade? का है D. All of these. 32 what are the important contributors of merchandise exports? का भी है all of these. 33 the act of opening up economies for trading is known as A. Trade liberalization. 34 dash countries were members of WTO as on December 2016. इसका है 164 countries. 35 full form of NAFTA NAFTA. इसका है A North American Free Trade Association. 36 which among the following country is not a member of South Asian Free Trade Agreement. इसका है C Austria. 37 on the basis of location how many different types of ports are there. इसका है A 2. 38 which of the ports listed below is also referred to as a ferry ports. इसका है packet station B. 39 in such settlements houses are located along a road, railway line, river, canal, edge of a valley or along a leaf. Identify the pattern of the settlement. इसका है linear pattern. 40 in dash dash and dash all places with a population size of 250 persons are called urban. इसका है B Denmark, Sweden, Finland. 41 places of pilgrimage such as Jerusalem, Mecca, Jagannath Puri and Varanasi are considered as dash towns. इसका है C cultural towns. 42 a healthy city must have. इसका है D all of these. 40 42 का ऑप्शन है A a clean and safe environment, B meets the basic needs of all its inhabitants, C involves the community in local government. ये सारे ही हैं. 43 which among the following is incorrect about urban strategy. A remove इसका है A removing shelter for the urban poor. 44 it is urgent to eradicate rural poverty and to improve the quality of living conditions as well as to create employment and educational opportunities in rural settlements. The above paragraph comes under which of the following problems. का है C environmental problems. ये एक ग्राफ दे रखा है डेथ रेट और बर्थ रेट का, तो देख लेना. इसका क्वेश्चन है 45 हाउ डज द नेचुरल इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन अकर एज पर द ग्राफ. का है A बर्थ रेट माइनस डेथ रेट. 46 what does the transition from high fluctuating stage to low fluctuating stage indicate. B shift from rural agrarian economy to urban industrial economy. 47 from the given paragraph what condition can you infer about the developing country. का है C high birth rate and low birth rate. ये next passage है, पढ़ लेना. 48 what are the problems of rural settlements. तो इसके सारे ही हैं water problem, sanitation problem and housing problem. 49 which among the following country face conditions of drought and flood. इसका है B countries of South Asia. 50 which among the following statement is incorrect about the rural statement. तो इसका है C supply of water to rural settlements in developing countries is adequate. Thank you.